Casey's 10, curing. Here we go, Solo X. This one's all back to, not new, but you know, original. And then I went ahead and filled these in with epoxy just to give it a little bit of extra grab. Because when I got it down with the shims, I had to actually bump it around just a hair to get the correct shim. And it wasn't, I like to spin it to distribute the epoxy, but it didn't want to spin. So let's hope this holds. We won't know until it does. Same thing with this one. So, and then I added this later. You can see the difference in slight diameter, about an 1/8 of an inch, or a 1/4 inch total, 1/8 of an inch on each side. And then this is triple 1 inch. I miscalculated the gap a little bit, but it's okay. The gap ends up being about 10 millimeter, which is fine. And then it'll be a really thick coil. It'll probably have enough BL to kick it out, so I want to go with a longer coil to keep that from happening. So, and then I'm going to do a short video on this one. This is Tarantula old school. So, but anyways, that's what I wanted to show you guys.